Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to recover deleted message on iPhone. So first of all I open my text messaging app and delete this message. After deleting a message you can recover it within 30 days. To recover a message simply tap on edit button in top left corner and once again tap show recently deleted. Here you can see all the messages you have deleted in the past. Simply check the messages which you want to recover. For example, I want to recover this conversation. Simply check marks and tap on recover. Your message will be moved to inbox. Now go to the inbox and check. Here is our message that we have recovered easily. I hope you enjoy this video. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye and take care. See you in the next video.